In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subfolder in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your inbox by nesting a new subfolder under an existing folder, so your messages are easier to find and manage. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. This is the quickest way to reach the sign-in page if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link. You'll know you're in the right place when you see Yahoo's Mail sign-in screen. Sign in with your Yahoo account. If you're prompted for any verification steps, complete those to continue. Once you're in, make sure you're using the new Yahoo Mail view. That's the modern interface with the clean layout and a navigation pane on the left. If your screen looks different or older, switch to the new view so the next options appear as described. On the left-hand side, look for your list of folders. This is where you'll choose the main folder that will hold your new subfolder. Common choices are Inbox, Sent, or any custom folder you've already created. If you don't see all your folders right away, try expanding the Folders section or scrolling through the list until the one you want is visible. Move your mouse over the folder name you want to use as the parent. Don't click yet. Just hover. As you hover, you should see a small More Options icon appear next to the folder name. It often looks like 3 dots or a tiny arrow. If it doesn't show up immediately, slide your cursor directly over the text of the folder and pause for a moment. Click that More Options icon, and a small menu will open. From that menu, choose Create Subfolder. Yahoo Mail will display a text box where you can name your new subfolder. Type a clear, descriptive name that tells you what will go inside, something like receipts, travel, or project files. Keeping names simple and consistent will make it easier to organize later and avoid confusion. When you're happy with the name, press Enter. Your new subfolder will appear nested beneath the folder you selected. Take a quick look to make sure it's exactly where you expected it to be. If it's there, you're all set. The subfolder is ready to use. That's it. You searched for Yahoo Mail, signed in, hovered over a parent folder, used the More Options icon, selected Create Subfolder, named it, and pressed Enter. Use this same process whenever you want to add more structure to your mailbox. Happy organizing!